exciting stuff. Boom. We got a fridge, dude. No more Amazon fridge. I had a 42 quart, but I'm going on this giant road trip to Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, all that stuff. And just from going camping locally, I was like, all right, the 42 quart, it's fine for what it is. You know, it's a $200 fridge on Amazon. It worked, but it's not what I need for this trip. We're gonna be, you know, multiple days in the outback, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna be deep in the mountains, dude, in the sticks. I need more than 42 quarts. So I hit up this company, TRAVOCA. Big shout out to them. As I come to my driveway today, mind you, the freaking FedEx driver, right? He just leaves it right in the spot. Not at my door, not at the door. I need it at the door. He put it in the spot. Had to get out my car, move the big old box, and then put it here. All right. So this is gonna be unboxing what I think is like the coolest fridge that they make on the market right now, because all the other ones, they look the same. They are basically the same fridge. They probably maybe have a different skin. They got a different skin protector, whatever. The Henkel knife of unboxing. Let's get it going, dude. The nice thing is I just sold my old fridge today to my coworker. 150 bucks, all good. In the pocket, TRAVOCA, big old fridge. In my driveway, in correct spot when I got home. Big excite, dude. Let's see, first impressions of this fridge that I didn't even know this company existed. I saw an ad on Facebook and I was like, dude, that fridge is sick. It's like way cooler than all the other ones you see where it's just like a silver fridge or like a black fridge. This is sick. And like, look at my rig, you know what I mean? I got a livery on it. Obviously, I'm a fan of the old school. I like 90s stuff. I like liveries. I like funky looking things. You'll see, you'll see. I'm just yapping, dude. I'm just yapping. All right, first impressions. Let's shut up and open this up so I can actually see the thing that I'm so excited to see. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit manic. I just got home from work. Friday. That's a nice surprise for a Friday, dude. Come home to a new fridge in the middle of my driveway. Someone tag FedEx, dude. Sort their drivers out. How dare you make me get out of my car momentarily. Yes, I'm a princess. Oh, that's a big one. Dude, we're gonna have to test fit this in the trunk. I don't know how good this is gonna fit until I make my drawer system. Like, I'm talking all of this and you guys haven't even seen the cooler, dude. Boom. So this is the TRAVOCA Rigel 60. This is the big boy. Dual zone, single lid. Does this actually come up? Is that, oh, wait a minute. No way, dude. Hold on. All right, so what we're actually looking at before was the back of it. Excuse my ignorance. Moly panel, mole panel, I don't know how you say that, but it comes with that. The lid can open either way. Are you joking? How baller does it get, dude? And then inside, you get two baskets, which is super nice for just like pulling your food out of it. My other one, the Amazon one, obviously didn't come with any of this stuff. So you have two baskets. It's dual zone, removable dual zone, by the way. Vacuum sealed lid, which is incredible because it'll actually take up less battery because it'll be more efficient. Unlike all the other cheaper fridges where you just close them and there's like a little seal. This is actually vacuum sealed, so it'll pull way less amps. You can run this off of your cigarette lighter, or obviously if you have an inverter setup, you have this with the AC outlet. Comes with the user manual. I can't wait until 4th of July weekend when I can actually test this out. I will be making a video. This will be in the video and we'll be testing it out and showing the functionality and stuff. Huge shout out to TRAVOCA. Thank you so much for sending this out. This is just the unboxing and initial impressions. This is not the real world use case yet because I have to wait a couple weekends to go camping and actually, like, you know, set it up. Yeah, actually, let's see if this fits in the back of my car. Let's see. So you also have on this side, you have a fold out table, which you just take these, boom, plop it. You have a little table built into the cooler, which is super sick. Super sturdy aluminum handles with the wood. Love that. Super sturdy mount. That you could tell that these are meant for carrying some serious weight, and it makes sense because this is a really big cooler. And of course you have your controls, which we will get to know in the next video I do. And for your mounting needs, you got a Moly panel on this side of the cooler. You could swap this to either side. The mounts are the same, but it also doesn't matter what side this is on because the lid opens from both ways, as I showed before. And they do also sell a slide, which I do have coming in tomorrow. So when I make my drawer system, I'll be installing this in the car more efficiently. So obviously my trunk space, not the greatest at the moment. But when I do build the drawer system, the sub will be higher up, about that high up. It'll probably be a little bit above the seats. The sub will still be there and the fridge will be on this side, and yeah, it'll be good. It kind of fits. Like I said, I'm gonna have to move this table, but that shouldn't be there anyway. Oh boy, is that a tight fit. That just fits. So, luckily it fits, so I could take it on my camping trip. Hell yeah. That's awesome, dude. That looks sick back there. I can't wait till I have my drawer system installed. And this is gonna be sideways. So it's gonna be on a slide and it's gonna pull out. So I'm gonna have, the drawer system's gonna be here. I'll have the pull-out drawers, and then under the pull-out drawer I'll have a table, and then on this side, on the non-table side, I'll have this thing with the slide that'll pull out. I'm hyped, dude. This is awesome. Huge shout out to TRAVOCA. Big thank you to you guys. This is gonna be used a lot, and it's a massive help because we gotta eat and we gotta have space for food and drinks without compromising, you know. So when you have a smaller cooler, you'll be like, all right, well, I need to put the meat and stuff in the cooler. That's a non-negotiable, but your drinks might, you know, be in the back seat, warm. Or you're gonna have to go to a gas station, get a traditional cooler with ice. Ain't no one wanna pay for ice. So the future is here. TRAVOCA Rigel 60, go pick one up. Huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. This is going to be used a lot, and you guys are gonna see it because I'm filming every bit of all the camping that I do from henceforth, and all the mods that I'm doing to this, because I have a whole room of stuff for this, and there's some companies on board. We're going on a big ass trip end of August. It's gonna be awesome, dude. Hope you guys will stick along. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out the Rigel 60. They also have smaller ones if you don't need one that's this big but you still want the quality. They have smaller ones. I think the most popular model is the 35 or the 45. But anyways, the TRAVOCA Rigel 60.